Hello students, the business I have with you guys today is to solve this question. It's a popular JAMB question, okay? Determine the vapor density of SO2 where the mass number for sulfur is 32 and the mass number for oxygen is 16. What is the formula for vapor density? How do you solve vapor density? All right, your molar mass is equal to 2 multiplied by VD. What is your VD? Our VD is vapor density. Now, what we are looking for here is the vapor density, not molar mass, okay? But before we can get the vapor density, as you can see, we need to know the molar mass of the compound we are solving for its vapor density. Okay, so now the first thing we need to do here is to solve the molar mass for SO2. Okay, so what's the molar mass? How do we do it? The mass number for S is 32 plus O is 2 multiplied by 16. Don't ask me where we get this 2 from, because you can see oxygen is 2, okay, in SO2. So you multiply it by the mass number of 16. That is equal to what? That is equal to 32 plus 2 multiplied by 16. That is 32 plus 32, which is equal to 64 gram per mole. Okay, so the molar mass for SO2 is 64 gram per mole. Gram per mole is the unit for molar mass. Okay, so now let's come back to this formula, which says molar mass is equal to 2 times vapor density. We have to make vapor density the subject of the formula. So how do we do that? We multiply both sides by 2. Okay, so we have molar mass all over 2 is equal to 2 VD. You know, 2 multiplied by VD is 2 VD all over 2. 2 cancel 2. Then you now have your VD. Therefore, your VD is equal to what? Is equal to molar mass all over 2. So this is the formula we're going to use to calculate vapor density. So what is our molar mass? Our molar mass is 64 all over 2. 64 all over 2. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 3. 2 here, 2. Therefore, our vapor density is equal to 32. Therefore, vapor density is 32. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is what we do in DBA, which is Dr. Basit Academy. Okay, so for those who are willing to take JAMB next year, our registration for our JAMB tutorial has already commenced, and as you all know, it is very cheap and affordable. It is just 3,500 naira for each subject you're going to write. Okay, so your payment lasts till you take your exam. This is what we do. We'll help our students with video classes, video tutorials, and sometimes notes. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Join us as we are assuring you of scoring 300 plus in 2025 JAMB. And like I said, I only need 50 students. 50 students. Once we've gotten up to 50 students, we'll close registration. Okay, thank you very much.